Hi, I have a problem with my GoPro Hero 6. I will show you here how or what the problem is. So stay tuned. Yeah, this is my Hero 6. I've been using that for a couple of years now. I also have a old Hero 4 Silver. I really like my GoPro cameras, but lately, or the last probably the last year, I started to have a problem with my Hero 6. It's an Hero 6 Black. I'm not sure if there are any other models of the Hero 6 than the Hero 6 Black. It's a little bit dirty at the moment. I've been out with my Jeep and been driving through some mud. What happens is that while it's recording, suddenly the video stops recording. It's still recording, normally still recording the audio, but not the video. And you can see here on this video or these videos, there are different places where I've taken it, how the recording just stops. Usually just 5-10 seconds into the recording. So the thing is, why does it happen? I have some theories. One is that the batteries are getting old and are not as good as before, so they run out of power fairly quickly. The other one is that it's I had this theory at the beginning. It's because it's cold outside. I'm filming a lot in the winter here in Sweden when I'm out kayaking, and it's pretty cold sometimes, so that the battery dies due to the cold, or there's something wrong with the camera that it stops recording due to the cold. But here is a video of when I'm in Rayampat in Indonesia here in January, and it didn't work then either. So that theory is busted. So there must be something else. A friend of mine, hello Patrick, he suggested it's the memory cards, that you have to format them every time before use. I've done that and still I have this problem, and so I really don't know what to do anymore. So I'm asking you on YouTube here if you've had similar problems and if you've managed to solve it. I have memory cards that are fast enough. It's a good quality of cards. Yeah, I have a memory card here. It's SanDisk Extreme, and it's a V30 card. That should be good enough for the GoPro. I use now my Panasonic GH5 camera, and there I have V60 cards. That's supposed to be the one you need. It's filming in a higher resolution. So I'm not sure. It should be working with these V30 cards. So I really don't know what the problem is, and it's very annoying. As you can see here, I've been in Lofoten filming, and it was quite a few of the film clips that were destroyed. So well, it's really very annoying, and many times I can't see on the camera that it stops filming because it's continuing to be the red LED light for that it's recording, but it's only recording the audio and not recording the video. So well, if you have any suggestions, please make a comment below, and I hope someone can help me with this. So for now, see you, and I hope to have a few videos coming the next coming weeks. I am a bit off work, so I have a few days off, so I hope to have the chance and the time to make some more videos. So okay, for now, see you again. Bye bye.